Hey everyone, my name is Ashton. Guess what time it is? It's Bible story time! Today's Bible story is about a man named Abraham. Abraham was a man who loved God very much. God spoke to Abraham and said, "Abraham, I want you to sacrifice your son, Isaac." This is something that was usually done with lambs and sheep, not people. This was very difficult for Abraham to hear. He loved his son Isaac. Abraham was upset. If he sacrificed Isaac, he would lose his son. If he didn't sacrifice Isaac, he would be disobeying God. Abraham chose to obey God. He took Isaac up to a nearby mountain. On the way up the mountain, Isaac noticed they didn't bring a lamb. He asked Abraham, "Father, how are we going to perform a sacrifice without a lamb?" Abraham told Isaac, God will provide a lamb for the sacrifice. When they got to the top of the mountain, Abraham placed Isaac on the altar. Abraham was ready to obey God and sacrifice his son. Suddenly, an angel called out to Abraham, "Abraham, stop!" The angel told Abraham, "Because you have obeyed God, he will bless you richly." Just then, Abraham looked over at a nearby bush. God provided a lamb caught in that bush. This became the sacrifice. Was it easy for Isaac to obey his father and get on the altar? No way! Was it any easier for Abraham to obey his heavenly Father and sacrifice his own son? Not at all. Abraham and Isaac both honored God, and so God blessed them. When you honor and obey your parents, you are also obeying God, and you will be blessed. So, in your family farm, plant the seeds of honor and obedience. God will bless you if you do. Well, I hope you enjoyed our Bible story. See you around!